Hello dear students, a very warm welcome to all of you in this video channel. So today we will see the question and answers of the chapter Chandni of the book An Alien Hand, class 7 NCRT. So let's look into the question and answers. Okay, so here we are in the question and answers. The page number 5, comprehension check. Question number 1. Why did Abu Khan's goats want to run away? Answer is Abu Khan's goats would run away because they hated being tied with strings and they loved their freedoms. So, okay, students, like goats, similarly to us, everyone like freedom, right? So, they also loved freedom, but they were being tied in the strings which they don't like. They hate this, so they would run away. Question number 2. What happened to them in the hills? So answer is, in the hills they would be attacked and killed by an old wolf. So students, in the hill wolves also lives. So they are carnivorous and they eat meat. So when they saw goats, they eat the goats. This has happened with the goats in the hills by an old wolf. Question number 2. Abu Khan said, "No more goats in my house ever again." Then he changed his mind. Why? So the answer is, Abu Khan changed his mind because he was terribly lonely and simply could not live without his pets. So students, what happened exactly? Abu Khan was an old person and he was lived alone, that too out of the village. So he felt terribly lonely and he used to live with his goats. So he was like he cannot live without his pets. Okay, so that's why even after saying that he did not want to have any goats in his cottage as a pets, then also he bought goat. Okay, question number 3. Why did he buy a young goat? Answer, he bought a young goat as he thought it would stay with him much longer. It would begin to love him as well as the food he would give her every day and would never want to go to the hills. So students, here it is saying that the old man Abu Khan bought a young goat because he thought that she is young, so when he will feed her from the beginning, from the young age, then she would also love the Abu Khan and she would never left him for the sake of freedom. So that's why he bought a young goat. Okay, so we are in page number 49, comprehension check. First question is, why did Chandni hate the rope round her neck? Answer, Chandni hated the rope around her neck because it pulled her back from going to the beautiful hills. She wanted to be free of it, knowing the possible consequences. So, students, as I have told already, that no one would like to be being tied with the string. Similarly, Chandni didn't want. So, she was hated that rope because that rope pulled her back and stopped her on going to the hills, going to the gardens to have juicy grassy leaves. But she also know the possible consequences, so she wanted to be free. Okay. Question number 2. Now Abu Khan understood Chandani's problem. What was Chandani's problem? So the answer is, Chandani's problem was that she hated imprisonment. The hills called her and she wanted to be free. Okay students, so Abu Khan noticed the problem of Chandani by noticing that Chandani refuses to having juicy grass and to having the foods that he provided. Then he got to know that Chandni was not being like to be in imprisonment. She hated that imprisonment and she was just looking into the hills, the sun rising, the cool breeze air, and she just wanted to be free to move around the whole ground, the hills, the forest. So this was the problem of Chandni that Abu Khan got understood. Okay. Question number 3. Abu Khan pushed Chandni into a small hut. This shows that he was cruel. Number 2. Loved her and wanted to save her life. Number 3 was selfish. So students, the answer is number 2. He loved her and wanted to save her life. Many times we have also seen this in our life, right? Like when our parents scold her, we sometimes we don't like this, but you understand this, that parents scold her sometimes, is stopping you for doing some and other things because they love you so much and they do not want you to do something wrong or bad. That's why they scold. Okay. Similarly, Abu Khan tied the goat into the small hut because he loved her and wanted to save her life. Okay. Okay, students, now we are in page number 51, comprehension check. Question number 1. Why did Chandni refuse to join the group of wild goats? So the answer is Chandni refused to join the group of wild goats because she wanted to enjoy her new freedom all by herself. So, students, what happened now? Now, Chandni jumped from the small hut and she was in the hill enjoying her freedom. But when she found the group of goats, wild goats, they invited her to join, but she refused. Why? Because Chandni was free, feeling free after so long time, and she wanted to enjoy all by herself. That's why she denied to join the group of wild goats. Okay. Question number 2. Chandni fought the wolf because she. So, students, you have three options. Number 1 was stronger than the wolf. Number 2 hated the wolf. Number 3 had to retain her freedom at all costs. So, students, the answer is we all know number 3. Since the goat Chandni was in the hills, she came out of the security of Abu Khan because she given priority more to her freedom. So she had to retain her freedom at all costs. Otherwise, she had to live with Abu Khan in imprisonment that she hated. Okay. So number 3 is your right answer. Okay, students. So now we are in exercise question and answers. The first question: why did the wise old bird say Chandni is the winner? So we know a fight has happened between the Chandni and the wolf. So the answer is the wise old bird said that Chandni was the winner because Chandni had the courage to face the wolf and had fought on till the end. She could have run away at the slightest hint of the presence of the wolf. However, she decided to stay here and stood firm on her legs. Okay, students, so the crux of the answer is that when Chandni was like roaming around the hills at night, she has the slightest hint that that wolf is just behind the bushes, but she wanted the freedom and she didn't left and didn't run. She just stood firm in her legs and she fought till the end of her breath. So we could say that Chandni was the real winner because instead of knowing the result of the fight that she could be death, but instead of that she faced the fear and she faced the wolf. Instead that she running away, she decided to fight. Okay, students, so this we can say, and the old bird also says that Chandni is the real winner though she got died. Okay. Question number 2. Death in an open field is better than life in small hut, Chandni said to herself. Was it the right decision? Give reason for your answer. So, students, Chandni's decision to enjoy free movement in the open fields rather than life in a small hut was right, since no sacrifice is too great for winning freedom. Okay, students, you all also remember, yes, that freedom is some things that always comes first, you know, and no sacrifice. I tell you, no sacrifice is too great for winning freedom. Okay, so Chandni has done a great job and her decision was correct also. Okay. So, students, now we are in question number 3. Freedom is life. Discuss this with reference to Chandni and I want something in a cage. So, students, we are having with two scenarios. First is Chandni. Chandni who were having so many freedom, comfort, security. Instead of that, she chose freedom over all the comfort and security. And the another option we have is like I want something in a cage, means I want to live in a cage with having so many things or some things. Okay, so we have two scenario. Now we have to answer with one reference. So I am answering here. Everyone craves for his freedom as humans, animals and birds. So it is true. Answer. The value of freedom is the themes of the stories Chandni and I want something in a cage. So students, we have just read the two stories. Remember, Chandni and I want something in a cage. So by comparing, then we can say that in the former, the old man had been a prisoner for 10 years, feed the doves because he could identify with the birds in the cage and their desire to fly. Okay students, so in the chapter Chandni, we could understood that Chandni give higher priority to the freedom, and in the chapter I want something in a cage, the old man he was living in the jail for 10 years and he just desired to fly just by watching the doves. So he fed the doves and just he desired to be free. But in the chapter Chandni actually get it free. Okay students, understood the both of the scenario, the both of the chapter Chandni and I want something in a cage. Okay students, so we have done all the question and answers of the chapter, this one Chandni. Okay, so all of you write the question and answers cleanly and neatly in your fair notebook and learn it. We will ask this question and answers in the next live class. Okay, and all the very best for your studies. Stay safe and happy. Bye bye.